Might fit.
No, no, it fits, but it's not easy to get it from the other side.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No worries, it's okay. We always have this button fine. Okay, here's the first one. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And the second one.
Thanks very much, boss.
Yeah.
This is a great honour. Get that
Almost there.
A320 controller. You can build an aircraft very comfortable himself. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have.
One moment, just a moment.
Yeah, they're a bit stiff. Yeah.
I'm trying to get it from the other side here. Yes, finally.
I see. So they actually don't go through, so
Oh.
that's why they're difficult.
Yes. Yes, fine.
A simulator promotion.
All good. Congratulations.
Shukran.
Have fun.